All right, just like you can see, we are now at $10,017 with this Team Builders program. So this is awesome, right? And look, if you don't know about the Team Builders program, this is a high ticket system where you earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or $2,600 per sale. So this is a very powerful system, and that's why I love it. And it's a complete done for you. In fact, when you join our team, we are actually going to promote your link for you for free. We are going to send traffic immediately to your link, all right? And then we are going to build your list, and you know what they say, the bigger your email list, the more your chance of getting those sales. So literally, we are going to build your business for you for free just because you have joined our team. It's crazy, right? And you can see so far we are now at $10,017. So what about you? Are you coming in? Do you want us to help you start earning those high ticket commission? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some of the high ticket commissions that I have earned with this Team Builders program. So let's quickly go to this now. All right, so as you can see, the owners of Team Builders program is called the Win Crew Limited. And you can see immediately there that I received a high ticket commission of $1,080 paid to my Wise account from the Win Crew Limited. So this is why you want to take it serious when it comes to high ticket, because you could actually make good money promoting high ticket products like the Team Builders program. All right, now let me show you other commissions quickly before we go away. Look at these other commissions that I have earned here from the Team Builders program, and you can see $679 paid to me by the Win Crew Limited. It's crazy, right? But you can see the proof there. Let's quickly go on. I don't want to waste your time. Look at another payment that I received from the Win Crew Limited. $1,508 paid to me. So imagine making $500 commissions, $1,000 commission, or even $2,600 commission. These are all possible when you are part of the Team Builders program. But let's go ahead quickly. I don't want to waste your time. Look at this other payment that I received, $1,000. Imagine making $1,000 over and over and over again because you are promoting a simple high ticket system like the Team Builders program. This is possible, and I am showing you the proof that it is very, very possible for you to earn high ticket commissions when you join our team to promote the Team Builders program. And look, remember, we are also going to help you to promote your link for you. So we are literally going to help you promote your business for you when you join our team. But let's go on quickly. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from the Win Crew Limited, $642 paid to me by the Win Crew Limited. But let's move on. I want to show you more. Look at another payment of $2,000 paid to me. Imagine making $2,000 over and over again because you are promoting a powerful system like the Team Builders program. But let's move on quickly. I don't want to waste your time. Check out this. This is another payment that I received from the Win Crew Limited, $679 paid to me by the Win Crew Limited. Check out this one. Look at it. This is a $1,000 payment. Do you see the number of $1,000 that I've received from this company over and over again? It's powerful, right? Very, very powerful. But I am not the only one making money with this company. I'm not. In fact, there are thousands of members in the Team Builders program. Let me show you some of them, just a few of them. Now, let's quickly look at this. Now, this is me when I got the high ticket sale. You can see the system congratulating me for getting a high ticket commission, but I am not the only one. Okay, there are regular folks, stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home dads, regular people making money with this team builders program because it's a done for you system, right? So it makes it easy even for brand new beginners to be able to join this system and get the same opportunity to earn high ticket commissions. It doesn't matter who you are, what you are, where you're from, it doesn't matter. This is worldwide. But let me show you other people. Look at Mario Stanza. Mario Stanza is a team builder also, and you can see he earns high ticket commissions like me. Let's check out another person. Look at Bab Anderson Bishop. She's a team builder, and you can see she earns high ticket commissions just like me. Let's check another person. This is Ida. She's a team builder. You can see she earns high ticket commissions. Check out Jonathan Wilson. He's a team builder, and you can see he earns high ticket commissions. Check out Lina Bondell. She's a team builder, and she earns high ticket commissions. Check out Jill Blake, regular mom. She's a team builder, and she earns high ticket commission. Look at John Bitter. He's a team builder, and you can see he earns high ticket commissions. Check out Peggy Price. She's a team builder, and you can see she earns high ticket commissions. Look at Robert E. Hassan. He's a team builder, and you can see he earns high ticket commissions. Check out Daniel Martin. He's a team builder, and you can see he earns high ticket commissions. Look at Al Amaru. He's a team builder, and he earns high ticket commissions. Check out Lina Lee Hoggins, a team builder, and she earns high ticket commissions. Look at Calvin Merrick, team builder. He earns high ticket commissions. Look at Janelle Rene. She's a team builder, and she earns high ticket commission. Michael De Luca is a team builder, and you can see he earns high ticket commissions. Look at Jeb Drew. He is also a team builder. He earns high ticket commissions. Look at Paul Hammond. He's a team builder. You can see he earns high ticket commission. Look at Harry Thompson. He's a team builder, and he earns high ticket commissions. Guys, you can see all team builders, and there are thousands of members of team builders, and that is powerful. And they are earning high ticket commission. So you start asking yourself, what about you, right? What about you? You want to become a team builder today, so that you give yourself the same opportunity to earn high ticket commission. And like I said, our team will promote your link for you for free, giving you more chances of earning those high ticket commission. So let's talk a little bit about the team builders free traffic system, guys. I'm telling you, free traffic system. That's what we're going to talk about right now. Now, the free traffic system, this is a cooperative system where our team sends traffic to your link for free because you joined us. So we send you traffic for free. That will help you to get leads, build your list, and then hopefully get you customers and sales for free. Imagine that. Just because you decide to join our team in the Team Builders program, we will help you to promote your link for free. Guys, this is powerful. So this makes the system 100% done for you, right? And this is powerful and it's great for brand new beginners or for inexperienced marketers who are having problem getting leads, building their list, getting sales. Now we help you to do that, right? Now with the Team Builders program, you could earn consistent daily and monthly passive recurring income. The Team Builders program is awesome. With the Team Builders program, you could earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. Now, the wonderful thing about the Team Builders program, You don't need to have any technical skill, guys. This is powerful. You don't need any technical skill because the Team Builders program will set up all your websites. Everything will be done for you. They set up your autoresponder. They give you a free autoresponder, guys. Everything set up for you. Look, with this system and joining our team, you don't need to know how to promote. So even if you don't know anything about promoting online, it doesn't matter because we will do part of your promotions for you, guys. This is powerful. You don't need to know how to get traffic because we are going to get you traffic to your link. How do you like that? We will do that for you as your team members. This is crazy. This makes it 100% done for you business because we promote your business for you. We help you to get traffic, so you don't need to even know how to recruit. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to recruit because we do that for you for free. You don't need to know how to sell anything. The Team Builders program have a call team that closes sales for us. So you don't need to know that. You don't need to call anybody. You don't need to do that. With this system, you don't need to have any experience of your own. No. You don't need to have any experience of your own. There is no monthly fees at all. No monthly fees. There is only a one-time setup fee for the Team Builders program. That's all. You just pay your one-time setup fee and then your system is set up for you, guys. It's powerful. This is a worldwide program, okay? Now, but let me put a disclaimer because it's always good to put a disclaimer. There is no guarantee of sales, guys. So let me just make that clear out now. But however, many of our team members have been getting sales and making money with this system. So you just need to know that, all right? Now, how do you join the Team Builder? Very simple. You need to join the Team Builders program through my link because you are listening to me right now. I'm one of the team members, so you need to join through my link. Okay, now once you join through my link, then you make your one-time payment. That is it. Then the next thing, once your account has been set up, you send me your link. That's all. You send me your Team Builders link, and then our team will start sending those traffic for you, building your list, and hopefully getting you those awesome high ticket sales. Now, if you are ready right now, and you say, Victor, this is what I've been looking for. You are looking for a team that is ready to work with you, help you to get traffic, help you to promote your link, then you are in the right place, right? So what you want to do right now, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Now, once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1. Join the OLSP Team Builders system. Go ahead, click the first link, just like this. Now, once you click that first link, that should now bring you to this capture page website. Okay, so these steps are very important. So what you want to do when you get here, now you see where it says get instant access. You want to put your name here and put your best email address here. So go ahead, put your name there, put your best email address. Then you see the green button that says click here to join now. So go ahead, click that green button. Now, once you click the green button, that will now bring you to the Team Builders website, guys. This is amazing. Now, once you get to this website, okay, the first thing you want to do is to watch that training video. It's very, very important because the training video explains the program and give you more bonuses. So you want to watch this training video. After watching the training video, come below the video to this green button that says click here to get instant access at $997. Let me tell you something. Team Builders cost $2,000. But because you are going through my link right now, you will get it for half the price, $997. One-time payment, no monthly fees, okay? And you will become a permanent team builder. And now you will be qualified to join our team because we only accept permanent team builders. One-time payment, $997, and you are in. Now, let me show you other verified members that are making money with this system. Look at this. This is Neil. Look at how much commission he made. $2,600 high ticket commission. Look at Albert, $2,600 high ticket commission. Look at Jesse, $2,600 high ticket commission. Look at Joy, $2,600 high ticket commission. Look at Lynn, $4,200 high ticket commission. Look at Prakash, $4,200 high ticket commission. Look at Jean, $4,300 high ticket commission. Look at Dana, $4,300 high ticket commission. So if you have been looking for a program that pays you high ticket commissions, this is it. The Team Builders program does that. So simple, go ahead, click this green button, pay your one-time setup fee of $997, no monthly fees. Now, once your account is set up, then it's simple, right? So all you need to do, once you have paid your one-time fee, the Team Builders program set up your account, set up your autoresponder, set up everything for you. They will now give you your link, okay? Now that link, that is what you need to send to me, okay? And we are going to add you to our free traffic rotator system, where we immediately start sending traffic and help you to promote your Team Builders link. Guys, this is the easiest thing ever. So you don't have to worry about whether, you don't have to know how to promote, you don't have to know how to get traffic. We just start doing that for you because you are part of our team. All right, guys, this is amazing. Now, if you have any question about our free traffic system or the Team Builders program, you can leave it in the comments section, okay? And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button, all right? But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel, all right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.